Is now, hang on, Avo, starts again from the beginning.
Start again.
Big one with the rain. Big one with the rain, Avo. Listen to the rain. Big one with the rain. Come on, this is that rain there. When the rain goes quiet, guitar goes quiet. When the rain gets loud, guitar goes loud. Play with the rhythm of the rain. Play with the rhythm of the rain.
It's like the tide coming in, the tide going up. You see
Tide
the
coming out.
tide
Coming in.
tide
Tide coming out. Play with the rhythm of the rain.
The rhythm of the rain.
Rhythm of the rain.
Just feel it.
Feel it coming down. Yeah.
Eat the rain.
Feel the rain.
It's raining.
Love the rain. Rhythm of the rain.
There's the riverbanks, drowned all the little brats. Rhythm of the rain.
Rhythm of the rain. Rhythm of the rain. Rhythm of the rain.
Can you feel it? The rhythm of the rain.
Can you see me? I'm cuddled up in pain. Can you feel me? I'm walking in the rain. Hear your voice and I hear the rhythm of the rain. Oh. Yeah.
Umbrellas are out the game. I'm in the middle of the rain, getting this wet again.
No, you're fine. Golden Rock.
Made up,
Rhythm of the
made up
rain.
here.
It's
The
calmed
rhythm of the
down.
rain.
It's calmed down. The rhythm now. And she started talking about it.
Singing on.
Rain's got it to go.
That's it.
It's going like that.
This is it, my mum.
John, your shirt's gone.
I was.
It's not leaking, that is it?
Think it's stopping now.
It's slowing down a bit. Like,
But the thing
it's going to be nice in the afternoon, you know.
the it's still cloud sky though. It's still can't see nothing.
No, it's going to be nice in the afternoon till about 4 or 5 o'clock. And then it's going to piss it down again.
You're going to Sunday.
Might get a window somewhere.
You'll get a few hours north at walk. On
So it's only
sponsored,
20 past 11.
on sponsored walk.
Oh, that's without tune, Avo. That should be in tune, that one. Should be well in tune, that.
The raining bombs. Remember it rained for like fucking like 40 nights, 40 days and 40 nights.
Yeah, that was last year, wasn't it?
Fucking hell, keep us fucking right.
It was a bit fucking depressing, wasn't it? Like,
Yeah, it's fucking murder. Every day and all like, same every day for the 80s, man. See him like, oh, fucking how's he going to pack in? When I was walking down thing, when I was walking to town, I've on.
July, August and September.
It was fucking that deep on the
We got a
bridge.
week, we got a week
Yeah.
in the middle of it. Like.
I'll be at walk on the bridge
Probably
there.
more.
It was about that deep, wasn't it? No, like,
Yeah.
when I was walking town there, me and Avo, it was all skilling that, wasn't it? Skiller. That fucking pulled me, like, no, pulled my pants up to there. It was up to there, like, no, all the way down.
Is that Jared's Bridge?
It wasn't there, no, it was going sound like fucking.
Jared's Bridge, isn't it?
Fucking hell, see.
I drove up curb, that drag actually on the curb, because like, everyone was fucking... Well, you know what it's like, it's fucking murder, isn't it?
There's some cars and that's
There and Mercy
fucking, you know,
Bank,
like, they try to get under, like, no wind dickheads and.
Sphinx there, Mercy Bank, that one.
Yeah,
It's full, it's a
there's a few cars not like non-stuck in town, with town, on the bridge. Because like they'd fucking gone in and just like, It got over Bonnet. Or the water gone over Bonnet.
No railways though, they're not really. So, they should sort out some of the railway people. I think.
Yeah, they can't. There's not much they can do about that now because it's in an awkward place.
We raise the road, don't you? Get rid of the railway track and raise the road.
They fucking could do with chopping half that fucking thing. They don't know what wall is like, and making it straight. Don't forget that, get rid of that there. Like fucking, it's on too much of a bend. Or
It's
like,
a burger, isn't it?
you'd have to like go from left or like no cut. You'd have to cut it, no like cutting a lot off it. For straighten it, no, so you'd be sort of depots.
Well, that canal laws on as well. Because under that
So
other little tiny
awkward how it is, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very awkward.
They tried everything to fix that, you know, like stop them floods. On both of them.
Sandbags.
On both bridges. Yeah. Nothing works.
Sandbags and
Nothing works
fucking,
like on that like
City lights. Yeah, the fucking St Helens Council for you that, innit? Fucking
really they should fill it in and then tarmac it.
yeah.
Also there's no dip.
Yeah.
If there's no dip,
Level it off, like.
yeah. If there's no dip, like that dip is so like no, because like
Or build a better bridge.
well the bridge is like they can't move the bridge really. What they should have done is fucking tortured that about that before they built the bridge. You know, like that we can't like fill it up because like then traffic can't get through it.
Yeah.
No, like it's too low enough for like fucking even like for vans to get through. You know, if they load it in with any less like. So they can't really fill it in, and they can't hide the bridge because of like the track everything. The track won't be straight then.
That triggers no more, though, isn't it? Just built.
Yeah, I know, but
Every
it's
fucking
good use all
month, every year, something on it, if that, not even that. Know what I mean? So that doesn't need to be there, that railway line, because it goes round Burg, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, so it doesn't need to be there. Just get rid of that bridge completely, couldn't it really?
You should be.
Could be. Trucks up railway, trapping people on it.
Yeah, then,
So those, and they're not going to be asked.
they won't budge unless they fucking, unless it interests them. You'd have to fucking pay them loads and all that. But no,
Well, backhand,
Yeah.
isn't that?
you'd have to pay them,
Yeah.
or pay them off like no.
Yeah, John, what do you reckon about all this poaching here? Like, somebody's come into a load of money and they've gone like, I don't know, my mate, because he's a contractor, he just punishing, give him the fucking contract. So they had a lot of money to spend somewhere like that. That's bollocks, that fucking poaching. It's absolute bollocks, it's just cosmetic. They fucking rake out on that much.
Oh, yeah,
Fucking that much, and they should rake out like that much.
I used to do that, like,
Do you know what my dad done?
was
Do you know
it
what my dad
pointing?
done?
Like, was it all some pointing and that?
Done me myself.
It's a bad job, no, you need masks and
My dad
everything.
just
Like.
got scaffolding, he'd go up and
We
come
used to do
back.
that, like, no.
And he used to do it himself, and my dad's, to me, his
Anybody can
neighbours,
do it.
they look totally
It's a-
different.
It's an hard,
Yeah.
it's a messy
You know what
job,
you're
though.
doing? It's just like done over a day or two. You've done. Carry on with your week of working. It just comes natural to them. Who would always like that stuff. You know what I mean?
Yeah, well, you'd rather was out, right, because it's just, no whizzing out. But pointing's easy, you know, like, but
Boring, though,
it
innit?
takes fucking ages.
Boring.
But whizzing out's dead quick, but
No, I don't
it's bad
think
whizzing
they're
out.
doing it.
You go home at night time, you like that, your coughing's no balls of fucking, no shit up, like, no, like, no, the dust up, no, when you're whizzing out.
John, you want to see
It's all-
how they've done it though?
You,
I want to see how they've done it.
Have you made it look worse?
No, it's not that.
What?
No, this is alright.
no, that
Yeah,
looks,
no.
that,
Go on this one.
that
Like
looks
the
like,
front wall.
no, because that wall there looks like fucking, no, traditional, like, it looks like you're at one pack or something, or you got proper brick.
Oh,
You know what I mean? Like, yeah, it's like proper brick.
No, it's hard work,
Yeah.
isn't it?
I know, but it goes right there and off the thing, you know, you, like,
Yeah.
your breast, your fire breast, like
Yeah,
that.
the painted them.
No, but that looks like, no, you've had that done especially, and also, like, you got a brick, like, fucking, a brick breast.
Oh, right.
That's all, doesn't it?
Yeah. I want to get, I might get brick for fucking plastic. Like.
But I'd even paint them, not brick. No, like, but not white.
Well, John,
no, like, no,
The
brick
plan
colour.
was like, when they're
Brick
doing
colour,
this
though. Make it some
pointing
shiner.
noise, like, before, like, I'd done all this and that, like, well, not this, but, like, you know what I mean? Fucking, I said, when they come and doing this pointing, I'll ask them to put a bit of dye in, fucking mix, a bit of orange dye, so, like, when it's white and that, you know, like, it'll look like a painted each brick individually.
Yeah.
Won't it?
Mm.
It looked like it actually painted every single fucking brick, but obviously they haven't. But they never end up doing it, but I'm glad they didn't end up doing it because it would have been a fucking load of shit, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Really, wouldn't it?
Don't need really thing, even if it's covered, it doesn't need pointing and
Yeah,
it's covered, because it's covered, you've got a roof
it's
on it.
up there though, which was the main one, like, that's what I said, like that man he's doing up there, like, and they just come and look at this and went like, well, and I sold them myself before.
You could do it yourself though, couldn't you? No, like,
Yeah,
if you
yeah.
wanted to, no, rather than
But it's just the top bit.
rather than fucking make a big job and fucking
Yeah.
this up and stuff. I'd rather do it myself.
I'd rather,
'Cause it's only a little bit
Yeah.
as well, isn't it? No, like, not like fucking...
no, what about up the top, John?
Yeah, no, over top of that,
Oh,
over top of it. Over top of the roof here.
Like that bit, that's,
How do you get to that now, that point now, without scaffolding?
I took the things off there.
Well, just come up through that way.
But what I done, like, no, because them plastic, them flimsy like that, like, so like, I took
I
four
fell
screws
through
out.
fucking loads of them, me, and
Four screws out, and I made it so you can just put the pole in, but when the pole comes back out, it closes again, like,
No, back at there, not shops in town in Donsea Street. Like some had like no, like fiberglass. You can get that no like plastic, like what can fall through. Yeah, and then you get fiberglass ones that they can just run over no back of buildings. Yeah. But every now and again, some bastard, I'd have this stuff, and you could hear like one of these kids like playing sick and that, like on looking back at old houses, and like they're all back at shops, and you just have them thing, the fiberglass ones that you can run across them guy, like what's no bus stops, get a break them. Next minute, all you see like somebody disappeared, going, ah! No, they forgot they'll run over one of these ones and fucking fell through and landed at shop. I fell in twice, me, not in Fishwicks. I fell in Fishwicks there.
so I learned about that.
I couldn't get out of work. No, I fell into shop, like, it would have been alright, it would have been a good shop, now some stuff in. But Fishwicks there, fucking stunk, like, and I ate fish, the smell of fish. Fell in there, fell through the roof. Through the back verandas. Ended up at shop and I couldn't get fucking out, no, it was that high. I put loads of stuff against the wall and climbed back out, and then it was dead fucking dodgy getting out. No, to it's plastic. That fiberglass stuff though, you can't break that, you can walk on it.
Yeah. It's got fibres in it.
Yeah, it's tough though, isn't it? It's like fucking... It like bends and stuff, no, when
That
you're
is
walking.
the clear, that one, for me. That really is clear.
All the ones, the ones there, like, they've got metal in them. All little squares as well. Metal running through the glass.
Like what you have on windows.
Like,
Yeah, I know what you mean.
how strong they are, like they're like strongest ones you can get because it connects the glass, everything together. That like, and it can be thin as well.
No, I'm just not saying that all. I'm thinking now, made me think now.
That's what
No,
that's why they
yeah,
don't
I think-
bend. No, like, no, 'cause it's got that, no, like,
Them a Stilio, I bet they'd fit
the
there.
plastic's reinforced anyway, like, but it's got that, no, like, it's got that more support
Yeah.
because it's white, no, it's all
They would
massive.
fit there.
It's just a support.
It'd go through after time if you tried to go like that, and stand like pounce on it. But
It
not,
just
if
cut-
you, not if you just walked across it, like, or like.
No, I'm just thinking of putting that in glass there.
No,
No,
you haven't got
not
to
listening to me sense.
Don't do that.
No, that's what I'm
Don't
thinking of
put
doing.
glass like that on the slants going down. It'd just scare me if it ever broke.
No, that glass one will not there, what I've got there.
It'd be
And
just
it says it's Stilio on it, like,
It's like fucking.
It doesn't click
Don't
that.
like joints.
Yeah.
I need a pet.
It'll come off the joist or whatever it's connected to, but that glass, that plastic you're on about, you won't go through it. It bends and everything. You can start bending, not like that, and everything, before you snap. You won't go through that.
Yeah.
It'll just come off like whatever it's connected to.
It
So
just springs
strong,
back.
so-
Yeah, you don't snap.
So, yeah.
You can't fall through that.
And it's so strong together.
It might come
like
off.
Built and everything.
It might come off
You know
like
what I mean?
off whatever
The
it's
best
connected to,
structure.
but
Try to put it on, people as windows and everything. Like.
Can't see through. That's right.
Oh,
Can't see
it's
through.
like strong. What?
Can't see through. You need to be able to see through.
it's like fucking thing, isn't it? Like bubble window, it's got the net
I know what you're
effects.
saying.
It's got the net effects, no you can't see through it. Like that, you can see through that. It's fucking...
What you should have, like, is a bit.
I see
No,
reflections.
what?
man.
And
Yeah, that's off the lights,
Yeah,
all that, isn't it?
yeah.
You see reflections.
Is
It's
it
because you can't see.
you know, if you had a
it's
bit,
flat now, isn't it?
then
And then
slide
when
across.
the sky's cleared
Yeah,
off,
it's
you can
like
see
one of
through
them-
that.
Like it looks like, you know when it snows in winter, that kind of colour. I can see it from here, the clouds there.
Yeah.
Just one colour.
It's black in it,
One
it's dark
colour.
in it. But you'll be able to
It's
see
like
through
a
it.
fucking
When it's a
orange.
starry night, I bet you can see
Imagine
stars
if you
through
could
that.
pull-
A mauve.
Imagine if
Colour
you
it
could
is.
pull a thing
The
where it
mauve
could go like
colour.
that, and you know, you could pull a thing,
Flattened out like
and
fucking,
when you
like
pulse it,
a
like
sluts.
just, you know what I mean?
Like sluts,
If
you
you
go-
hear the strips and everything, you know, gets pulled along, you know, up by things there like flat, you know, on bird. So
Yeah, I know
like you
what
can
you
pull
mean,
it along, so then you've got a square there, and then whenever it starts raining, you go, put that back on, you know what I mean? And you put the square light back over, but then you'd have a star view, you know what I mean, of the thing.
Yeah, I know.
Like
That's
that.
it's a way forward. I know.
No,
I'm not.
they're just
No,
opinions,
nice because I've thought about it myself. Studying these bits, but leaving the fucking sky open. Joe said to me last night, "What for the nice?" He
No,
said,
this is
I said, "Why don't you put like a roof on it?"
do that next season.
No, I said, why don't you make like a roof, like across all the way, so it's like a room, and put lights in it. And he said, yeah, but I want the fucking, I want the light, I want the sunlight.
This, honestly, this is cool as fuck. You know what I mean? I like looking at the wood. You know what I mean? I feel like, well, no, you start making it like a room. But you're in.
You'll see, you
All
end
that
up
means
see,
staining and all that. Anyway,
yeah,
not
you end up
staining.
seeing little things all the time when you're doing this and all like, it broadens you, fucking thing, yeah.
Horizon.
I was going to say a rise,
Yeah.
but you used to, like, something more like, something on them limbs, but not that word, no, the actual word. It broadens you, your fucking imagination. Same thing as a rise, isn't it?
No, but it's a different word also.
It gets you thinking
Gets
anyway.
by you.
It gets you thinking of things that...
Yeah.
Busy.
How mad's that?
It gets you thinking of
Oh,
things that you've not
how mad's that?
How mad's that?
Hunter's Moon.
I come and I played that
Yeah.
song, mate.
Fucking hell.
Well, he come, it was raining like this, do you remember, John?
Make
And my
it-
dad had to turn
make it
round
see Hunter's
for
Moon
the
in
tickets.
Scotland.
Do you know the tickets? We never had the tickets, and my dad picked me up because it started the tickets. It was hot as fuck in there,
and then
and then
torrential rain.
it turned torrential rain, and we had like, you know, shirts on and everything. Torrential rain, I won't stop. Phone Dad up, and Dad, we're going to this gig here. Right, and fucking, we're playing and fucking,
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
it was gig, it was fucking, Jack Harrison's Tribute Night.
Yeah.
And we mate,
Oh,
we
Jack.
got us way down. We turned up there, and we went in. It torrential rain all the way. Got in, and it was like that. Fucking. I remember coming in, fucking, and it was full. You know what I mean? Like, brilliant.
That was one of them
Okay.
days where I said, fuck it,
Brilliant.
come on, Ambo, let's just walk in and go, no, but we're not in that.
We'd have been in that. torrential big
Every
tree.
day, no shirts and everything, no.
What's the each on there?
I'm going to have them, mate, but I said, no,
Do you know those up as well? Then?
well, I think it's working, I think that's what it's giving me
Do you want some
wind.
of these? Like,
No, I'm sound.
I've got pizza there if you want to put it in.
I've had crumpets, like your pizza, fucking,
Yeah, but it's butter, don't it?
must be the butter, because it's proper butter as well, no, like,
Yeah. Well, don't you?
you can't help loving, no, like, nice things, I don't give a fuck, it's bad for you, no, nice things that I like. So the consequences afterward, like, just going,
Got some sauce or something.
like the town. No,
Well, if you want some of these, yeah, I'm not got much in it.
I'm sorry, I'm not even hungry, mate.
I know, but sometimes when you get like heartburn, that sometimes it like means you can use some meat, doesn't it?
I've got some back.
No, and that's
I think I ate like 2 before I went out because like I've all like those sprung on me that was having a drink. So she went in then. And then like, once she said that to me, I just think, go on then. But I was waiting on having a big scan, so like no, just split loads of wheat of it, then quick.
I thought, well,
Some crumpets,
shredded wheat in Caldo,
shredded wheat spread.
89p
How did you get for
for
that?
12.
That's cheap.
Oh, that's very cheap. Oh, not worry, we get another box
Shredded
tomorrow.
wheat. Shredded wheat's the
Shredded
best.
wheat, hot milk. Just turn that time of year now, on it. Shredded wheat, hot milk. There you go.
I love shredded wheat. Is it?
Yeah.
People say
Bit
no
of sugar
taste.
there.
It's an
100%
acquired
all
taste.
wheat.
yeah.
You're just used to it, no,
Yeah.
you know, like
Hot milk and it always like
anything that you used
soggy
to
and
have,
that.
anything that you used to have, like, because
Like Viking shit.
No, when
like,
you was a kid,
when
you was a kid,
The shredded wheat, can't beat them. 89p.
when you was a kid, remember when you got
89p.
when you got right, so that's why you like things when you get older, you know, like what you like when you were a kid was like you liked it so much when you was a kid. It was so much better, it was like 100 times better than it tastes now. When you get older, and you've been drinking and smoking and all that. When you was a kid and you were starving, food
Yeah.
tasted fucking
A brown sauce butty would
Yeah.
be great, wouldn't it?
anything was gorgeous, even the sugar butter was, you know, like. But now you've got
Hey, John,
turn your nose up.
I got one of apples off the tree today.
I
like.
don't say,
Got one, well, hot windfalls, like, because it's been fucking windy, but fucking took me an hour. I fucking peeled them all, chopped them all up, took them in hands, made a fucking apple pie.
Yeah,
it was fucking gorgeous.
They expected me much. You see, no this time of year, but no, because of the season we've had, no, the weather we've had. Normally this time of year they'd have maggots and everything, no, and no, loads of holes in it.
Oh, you have cleaning and that, you know what I mean?
But like never crossed there, like they've been right for fucking ages, you know, because of the weather. I remember like back in there, like
shape the tree and shape the fucking branches.
yeah, it was close every day, and in the end, like, I used to even send my mates out when I was doing 10p. Not forget me carry bag full of apples on there.
That makes me now with Kev there, we used to knock on doors selling
Yeah.
some apples for 10p, like.
Yeah.
We did as well, we did.
Honestly, like, no,
Knocking on doors, selling
everybody
apples.
had apple pie, no apple crumble, and it was apple everything, no, back in there.
Yeah.
And when spuds come out,
Well, it's the
fucking
time of year,
chips,
isn't it?
it was
Yeah.
chips and everything for ages. Yeah. That lasted ages, and then like
Sprouts.
there was always something. There was always
Sprouts
something about
in
folks.
a bit later on, like.
And then when we got fed up with that, we started working on the clubs then. Or like waiting on club car parks for beer waggons.
Car radios.
Beer wagging. You used to wait for beer
Car
wagging.
radios, that was the next one.
Beer
wasn't it?
wagging at Wednesday. Wednesday at 1 o'clock, beer wagging would come at the club. Right? We used to have that. Then we used to go down lanes at Tassaweed. And then like no toffee man used to come outside all the off licences. Same toffee man, same day, 2 o'clock. We stash over there, go down there, wait for toffee man, and they never used to leave anybody at front. And like they're taking the boxes and stuff, like filling the off licence up. As soon as they go in, a couple of boxes each, off the pots, start lines. Back to our stash, walk down the lines, no Tassaweed station.
Yeah.
Walk down them lines in the cutting and just come out at Scores Lane, where we stashed over here. So we've got loads of boxes of chocolates, like fucking Yorkie bars and everything. We've got all our booze, no set out for Wednesday.
And then Nick Beth had, forget the weed.
Great, we're supposed to be at school, not supposed to be at school.
Where was we?
Fucking before you was born, mate. I
Yeah.
was supposed to be at school, not when I was all wagging it.
Nick Beth had then, get away down. Off Jacko.
You start wagging the one day, no, because like, you used to fuck that, I'm not missing out on Wednesdays. Wednesday was the best day of the week. Because you used to get ale wagging and toffee man on the same day.
I've always had that cellular. And I've got the fucking thing on it.
Eccleston Gardens,
I know.
all the posh like people, like, because we was little kids, we used to think, oh, the lovely little kids, these, you know, like, but I used
The
to,
cheeky and cute and
I
that.
used to have about 15 hours these nights in Eccleston Gardens, where like, every year, you know, like, I used to do the gardens and that, you know, in summertime, and then,
Not Eccleston.
Eccleston Gardens on Peckham Road and all, like, just before Grapefruit, there's a posh estate there, and all before it goes into Eccleston Wood. And round there, right, that's what Fitz's live, no.
No, he's after our dump windows all round.
I used to like
I'm not early.
I used to fight with that, no, that Fitzer. He used to be no bit posh area, but I used to live in Lord of Crescent, no, across the road on Prescott Road, right. It's Portugal, no council space. It fits it, that fits in that. He lived in Eccleston Gardens. I used to have about 15 houses over there, I walked. Right, that all through summer, right, I used to do the gardens, no front and back. Right, so get a tenner. This was fucking when I was a kid, this. I used to get a tenner for doing that. I used to have 15 houses, all at the same street, that I used to do. And they used to go, no leaves fall off in autumn, but not leaves fucking come down. And I used to have a job in all their out, pushing all their paths up, like cleaning their leaves up. Just get £10 for that, for everyone. That's 150 quid, like a week, doing that. I walk. I used to have the mates helping me as well, like, brushing off, not doing their own side, fucking loads of bin bags, and you used to have to get rid of them as well. You took them up at Woodstock, because Woods is right there. And that was the biggest part of it, famous, because they don't have fucking clothes on the out, not for me to leave. We used to film it in Woods, very natural. There's a lot of a million leaves, you can't see any more. I'm not fucking shorted to leave from there. And like, there's a cattle singing in there, penny for a guy in there, and he's always going to save 15 hours. Well, like, he used to get gardens for and clean the leaves for. Got a penny for a guy in there, Halloween in, and cattle singing. He used to take you in, he didn't stars and everything, really posh, like big posh houses, like, you used to go come in and sometimes I'd be singing.
Teeth store.
I'd be singing.
Not teeth.
No, that was mad down there. It's mad the one where some of the posh people. Used to like say, come in. And I used to sit sing the cattle song. And they left the door, so they're about the same age as me and stuff. And we were like, hallelujah.
Oh, sorry, tunes up
A
there.
little donkey. We pulled it ring and be laughing their heads off no fucking kid.
What's going on?
Hey, and I've not told you, like it could be in a play. By Fisa.
What?
About alcohol.
What is it? Yeah. Best thing you've done tonight.
It is.
Any?
Yeah.
On theatre.
It'll be funny that though.
Weird how I was actually on about that as well. Drinking on that thing.
It'd be funny going in.
You played that, right? And I was on about.
And what does that say?
Well, at the beginning, people at bars and come out of bars.
No, but some.
What the thing is, they said I could be in a play.
Make it more authentic though. And there. But make it more authentic, like I think, like no, because some people can do it. Some people can act like no when they're gonna drink as well. Like they're the best actors. That's why they get all used them. Not like if you think what's it.
One gun though, John.
I'd go, yeah. No, Lisa Sue and Bob.
Is it that thing you
The actor, there's an actor in there who plays the dad.
Just said, come along, right, and she went, I'm
He's
on the
allowed to drink
panel.
as well.
I'm on the panel because, right, the people who are on the panel are like,
Some
the
media
town hall, people, you know what I mean, they're making this thing, like, this play, and they're doing alcohol and everything and that. She got in the theatres and I was sitting on the street and she went, I'm on the panel because I've been off it for 2 years and that, and I've been talking to him, and he put someone on, right, on the panel, who's been there before, something like that, weird, and then,
Top two.
she finger, right, she said it could be in it, and I've not turned up, but I like that, you know what I mean, like a dickhead. May as well just go and just play. Parts.
So you get a part from me out that way, no?
Just come, John. He's a good winner. Wanna go?
No, why don't we just watch?
No, really. It's the first time I'm going. I don't know fucking no one. She said, I'll meet you outside or I'll be in there. And then she texted me after it and she went, how come you didn't turn up? That's what she said, how come you didn't turn up? She said, because I've fucking been off my head and everything for the past fucking week, which you have. Like, so, and I went, that's why she went, well, come next week.
You've been on for it?
Yeah, Theatre Royal. When I was younger.
You've been at Theatre Royal playing?
When I was a kid, like, in school. No, in school.
Not that good?
Like,
I've got no skills. He's big Theatre Royal. Very much.
Forced into
Take every
Theatre Royal.
opportunity you can. Take every opportunity.
They forced me into
I'd go for just laugh me under and all like.
I wouldn't. No, I mean, like, I wouldn't take every opportunity, but You should.
I walked down the road.
Really, John?
I walked that. Do you remember when I told you that day, John?
I'd go for a laugh.
I was going.
no, like,
Remember, John? I was signing on. I just
left.
left your mum's, right? And I walked, signed on, and I seen this woman on the way. And when I went to sign on, I walked all the way back and told you. I just met this woman walking down, and she said like, I'm on the board of this thing, like this play. It's called alcoholism and everything like that. They're running with it, like because I've had drugs and everything with it. Been pissed with it, you know what I mean? She knows the score. She's off for that. She's always asking me to go to like Birdie Fans and everywhere, you know what I mean, and play like play. Because we used to play, in her house all the time. Like she probably was me a guitar one day, £300, right? £300 worth of guitar, and I brought it back, all week after. And she was like, oh, he's right. She had about 8 guitars done lots into her house. You know what I mean? She plays flute and everything. She's off her head, probably. She's on the phone. What?
Where's your guitar?
My guitar, it's in John's.
How long's it been there?
And in Nan.
Tell us.
Yeah.
How long's it been there?
I've not played it for about a week. Because I just couldn't get asked, to be honest. I want to be away from it and just like, getting a bit too carried away.
Getting a bit too fucking fun, yeah, too far-fetched.
I know. Okay.
You need to take a break from Nick Race and then go. No, like, when we get the mood again. Just leave it alone, like, so you can, materialise things and then you think back and then, like, go. And then you get that urge again for doing like what you like doing. A lot better, like, I used to always do it, take a back seat and things.
When I lost everything, that rage inside of me, I just started playing
what's been going on.
Every single one.
I'm working better.
I was playing it. And I played it and never snapped out. I've fucking been playing it non-stop for ages. Loads of different tunes. Really going for it. Because I was that
when I snapped it that day.
Fucking, we walked all the way to town.
It was already knackered.
Me and John was at the dam, right? And we went, and a few people come and went, right, we'll walk to Skilly's, right, get the guitar, use wait here, we'll come back.
Full day, bro.
Hot day. You know what I mean? We had our tops off, it was fucking bright blue sky, we walked all the way to Hurst Finch, got the guitar, and walked up playing it. Got to it down, right, and when we got there,
Ice will melt.
when we got there, right, our cans were there, and the first thing we thought was fucking cool down, have a can, cold can there that we just, bought. We come back, past this lad a guitar, and we went, hit it, right, snap the string, and straight away I looked at him, and I thought, fucking hell, do you know what? I looked at him, and I couldn't go mad at him because I've done because I've done it before, right? I couldn't go mad at him, right? And do you know the only best way we could do it? John didn't say it, I didn't say it, I couldn't go mad at him, right? Let's go, let's walk to town and get some strings, right?
So natural.
No, but we walked all the way to town, straight there when it snapped. We walked to town, got some strings from Dawson's, got him, walked all the way back, put them on.
Same way,
Fucking,
same way too.
Really, he shouldn't have been with us.
Feel the same way too.
He shouldn't have been with us. It wasn't natural that he was with us.
No.
That there.
It was really
Lucky to get such it down and everything, because I was speechless me away.
I was
playing my guitar.
John knocked me, I swear down. Right, when John went to sleep, I was awake with him, and he was still looking out at me. He was shouting out to the window at people. I said, never in your life, ever, am I walking round town with you? He was walking round in front of the town centre with a can in his hand, walking, a bit in front of us, but knowing that he was with us, so he's going, hey lads. And he's there, and he's going, right here, and he's going, here, fuck, and I'm going, I ran over and I'm going, put that fucking,
he's making loot, man. It's like to young girls and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Who's up there?
Funny he never got chucked fruit in the...
Something written in the sky. We don't even have to try.
Yeah, we don't even have to try.
It's going to stop raining in a minute, boys. Tell you what, look at time.
That was the rain
10
song,
to
that,
12 now.
No,
Yeah.
that's the reverse.
And now it stops.
Effective.
It stops.
I only played what I knew.
Right, so it stopped now.
was
And
the
between
best.
12 and 1.
Stop the rain.
You get to see Hunter's Moon.
Fucking having it. Hunter's Moon and that. Hunter's Moon tonight.
Start it again.
I thought, that's not him. Is it?
That was going to start.
You having a laugh?
Listen to this.
Here we go again. Yeah,
It is filming
You
that.
shouldn't doubt the rain.
I didn't even know until I seen it.
34 minutes.